it's like you gotta put this quarter on your forehead all the way back and try and get it into the phone. Why? It's hard. I couldn't do it. You try and do it. Just fucking try it.
This is retarded.
I know, it's fun though. Like, once you start getting it.
Where were you doing this?
At the bar tonight. They taught me this game.
Fucking bar? That's so corny.
You gotta put it all the way on the top of your forehead.
What the f? This. You're such a. Why did you do that?
Okay, so go.
I'm my girlfriend over. We're gonna dump this fucking freezing cold water all over her. She's gonna freak out. Feel really out. Let's go. Is she coming?
I think she's coming soon, dude.
She should be coming soon.
Oh, she's fucking walking. She's walking.
Get her ready. Get her ready. Yo, tilt it on there. Tilt it on here. Tilt it on here.
There she is. There she is.
Guys, that's not Metro.
Hi, what are you doing?
What's up? Oh shit. You have my 2 card?
Oh my god! I hate you!
You have my 2 card?
Are you fucking kidding me right now? Oh my god, you guys! This is not fucking, oh my god! What am I gonna do with this?
Sleep in it.
Oh my god! You got all. You guys have no lives whatsoever. Oh! Are you kidding me right now? Are you shitting on my face?
If you want.
Oh my god! What? How? Oh my god! I knew this was gonna happen. I told that I was like, something is like sketchy is going. Can you just like stop the video?
Are you fucking kidding me right now? TJ! It's fucking smoking, I cannot.
You look like Bob Marley.
Fucking get out, TJ!